Hi everyone, I've had a couple of questions about Smartscreen and setting up. So what I've done is I've set myself as a user. So if I come down here, I'll let you see that's my email. Okay, so I've not registered this, so this should be the same email that you guys got, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run through the whole process so you guys can see what I see, and hopefully if I have the same problems I can help you guys through it. So I'll copy that. I'll go to Smartscreen. Okay, there we go. So I'll type in my email address. And then I will pop in that password. So my current password is that. And I will very quickly set a very silly password. There we go, my password has been changed. So if I continue, I am now in Smartscreen. Now, what you want to go to is you want to go to this part here, the Go part, okay? So if I just click on that, I'm in here. Now, the only thing that I have here is my auto e-learning, which is right here. Okay. Once I'm in, that's everything here. Now, the one you're going to use most is probably number 4, okay? This one. Your automotive mechanical systems, okay? We will start to use the electrical one in the next couple of subjects. What else do we have? So, number 1 is all about, fabrication, metals, things like that. Number 2 is all about service and inspection. We actually have a unit about service and inspection, so we'll come to that later in the year. Number 3 is automotive business and workshop practices. That's more about the sort of, how the automotive industry works. Number 4 is the one we will use most of the time for our studying, along with number 5 when we come to electrics. Number 6, automotive technology and future innovations. We probably won't use that all too often. I'll actually have a quick look and see what we've got in here. Then when you go in, you then click on the e-learning part, and then that brings up all of your things there, okay? So as you can see, we'll have things like, we've got hybrids in here, hybrid technology. This will actually come in quite handy for your electrics exam, because you've got things like, you've got airbags, you have ESP. Now that'll probably be more your level 7 type stuff. That's your electronic stability program. Then you've got things like headlight adjustments, things like that. That'll all come in quite handy when it comes to next year. But for this moment here, let's have a quick look at headlights. So when you go in here, it tells you number of attempts you've made, things like that. It's not really important stuff. What you want to do is you want to come over here to the enter part. And then you're in. And then you basically just have to make sure you're clicking on the correct parts. So types of headlight. Headlights can be subdivided into 2 main groups, reflector and projector. Projector headlights are becoming increasingly popular because they have a higher light output. The light output is on average 8% higher in comparison to that of reflector headlight. The light-dark separation is also better in comparison to a reflector headlight. Projector headlights also take up less space than the reflector headlights. Find the correct headlight. So here's the projection one. So the projection one is this one right here. Okay, so I click that little dot that's down there. For reflector, all I need to do is click that little blue dot right there, and it comes a reflector, and it says OK. And then I need to skip on to the next part. There's usually an arrow over here somewhere. Okay, oh no, wait, I can click on that. So what I done there was I just clicked on the little buttons I've got down here to get to the next part, okay? So click on the components of the reflector headlamp. Where's the reflector? So the reflector is going to be the, so I've got reflector and halogen lamp. So if I go up and over, that'll be my reflector and that'll be my halogen lamp. And now I'm stuck. I can't seem to zoom out or move across anywhere. So what I'll do is I'll change that way, and I still can't move. Okay, that's a good one. So if I go that way, I double tap on the screen, it brings me back out, and I can use the top bar. So what I'm doing is I'm grabbing that red part at the top there, and I'm moving that along. Okay, so it's not the best on a mobile. You're better off doing this on a laptop. I can then go into section 3, and once again, I'll just make sure I'm stayed right out so I can grab the sides there if I need to move. So that part there is called your lens, and then that part at the back there is your light beam guard. So basically, I hope you've got an overview of how to use Electude. Sorry, it's called Smartscreen. Hope that sort of helped you out there. If you have any problems, just give me an email. If this hasn't helped you, then you've already sent me an email saying, you know, I don't have, well, some people are saying they don't actually have a lot of the subjects on there. So can I go back? How do I exit? There we go. So I just pressed the back button to get back to this part here. Some of you are saying you don't have any subjects. I wonder if you're, if I click on the start screen bit at the top there, I wonder if you're just not going into this part here. And if you are, maybe you're not going to the right section. But if you can let me know if you have any problems, please just send me an email and I'll help you out as best I can, okay? Cheers.